Foods with no carbs and no sugar. A list of healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. In the present day, a lot of individuals are seeking to shed pounds and improve their overall well-being. Processed carbohydrates and refined sugars are prevalent in unhealthy foods, which have been scientifically proven to cause inflammation throughout the entire body. This can ultimately lead to a variety of ailments such as obesity, diabetes, arthritis, eye disorders, heart attacks, strokes, and more. In this video, we will be sharing a list of the top 16 nutritious foods that are low in carbs and sugars. Consuming these foods instead of junk food will provide your body with an abundance of essential nutrients, aiding in natural healing. Let's delve into some of these healthy foods. 1. Kale. Kale is considered to be among the most nutrient-packed superfoods in existence. As a leafy green vegetable, it aids in reducing inflammation and delivers an abundance of energy and nutrients. Notably, it is devoid of carbohydrates and is instead rich in beneficial forms of fiber. 2. Chicken. Chicken is a lean white meat that is abundant in iron, protein, calcium, potassium, and B vitamins. These nutrients promote heart health and enhance serotonin levels in the brain, aiding in the prevention of depression. Additionally, meat sources do not contain any carbohydrates or sugar. 3. Eggs. Eggs possess all the essential components necessary for life, yet they do not contain any carbohydrates or sugars. They are an abundant source of proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that promote cellular healing and growth within the body. 4. Cheese. Cheese is a highly nutritious source of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, E, D, and K2. These vitamins aid in the absorption of calcium into the bones, teeth, and nails. Cheese is also rich in healthy fatty acids and proteins that enhance brain health. 5. Pecan nuts. These foods have an extremely low net carb content and are rich in fiber. They also offer minerals that facilitate the healing of the thyroid gland, in addition to being an outstanding source of omega-3. 6. Butter. A different low-carb food that is abundant in natural fats is pure butter that has not been mixed with vegetable oil. It is one of the finest sources of vitamin A, which aids in the protection of your eyes, skin, and hair. Additionally, the calcium in butter enhances bone strength and is easily absorbed by the body. 7. Coconut oil. Extra virgin coconut oil is a beneficial oil that is an excellent source of natural fats. It contains no sugars or carbohydrates, yet it provides an alternative source of fuel for the body. This can aid in achieving strong mental focus and a healthy overall body. When preparing delectable meals, consider substituting vegetable oils with extra virgin coconut oil to optimize your health. 8. Beef. Beef is a nutritious red meat that is packed with vitamin B12, making it a valuable resource for developing healthy muscles and boosting energy levels. Similar to chicken and other meats, beef has no carbohydrates or sugar. 9. Salmon. Similar to other fish, this particular fish is abundant in omega-3 fatty acids that promote internal healing, particularly during weight loss. Consuming fish enhances the health of the central nervous system and is free of carbohydrates and sugar. 10. Blackberries. While all fruits have a certain amount of sugar, berries contain the least amount. Blackberries and strawberries, in particular, contain pigments that aid in the body's healing and enhance cognitive function. 11. Green tea. Green tea is a remarkably healthy drink that does not contain any carbohydrates or sugar. It is abundant in chlorophyll, a substance that is rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants aid in internal cellular healing, contributing to weight loss and reduced inflammation. 12. Watermelon. Watermelon has an incredibly low amount of carbohydrates and natural sugars. It is high in fiber and minerals, which promote digestive system flushing and colon health. Opting for watermelon over junk food such as cookies, bread, biscuits, pasta, or waffles is an excellent alternative. 13. Mint. Mint is a delicious and healthy herb that is known for its many benefits. It contains menthol, a potent compound that has anti-inflammatory properties and promotes healing within the body. Additionally, mint contains no carbohydrates or sugars and can be used in various dishes or beverages. 14. Cauliflower. This nutritious vegetable is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties owing to its high concentration of antioxidants. It contains two categories of antioxidants that have been scientifically proven to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. 15. Xylitol. Xylitol is a natural sweetener produced from the wood of birch trees and can replace granulated sugar. It tastes sweet, just like sugar, but is not metabolized by the body. Since it does not cause an insulin response, it is an excellent alternative when attempting to lose weight. 16. Turmeric. This spice is a potent natural remedy that can quickly boost the body's health when used in cooking. It has been shown to lower blood pressure, assist with weight loss, and alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Be sure to add a little black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin compound it contains. As you can see, there are a great range of foods available which contain no sugar and no carbs. Most leafy green, cruciferous, vegetables can be eaten without concern, and contain the highest amount of plant-based nutrients. These should be eaten raw, as once they are heated they lose some of their nutrients. We recommend eating lots of kale, watercress, broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, spinach, beet tops and arugula. It is important to be aware when following a low-carb diet that many fruits contain a lot of fructose. This sugar can promote an insulin response which slows down weight loss. When eating meat, try to look for high-quality grass-fed animals which have not been minced or processed. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.